Good morning students. I hope you are well. So today we are going to discuss about rational numbers. So at first you have to know that what is a rational number. So here you can see that the numbers of the form a by b, the numbers of the form a by b where a and b are integers and b not equals to 0 are called rational numbers. So here any number is of the form a by b. What type of number a and b? A and b are integers, but here another condition is that b not equals to 0. So what are the integers? So students, you know well that -3, -2, -1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the integers. That means all the negative numbers and positive numbers including 0 are all integers. So a and b must be integers, but b not equals to 0, because any number, suppose numerator is 2 and denominator is 0, then if denominator is 0, then the number is undefined. So denominator never be 0. So that's why I called that b not equals to 0. So the definition is the numbers of the form a by b where a and b are integers and b not equals to 0 are called rational numbers. Now, as for example, the rational numbers are 2 by 3, -3 by 2 and 6 by -17 and many more. These are all rational numbers. And students, here we can say that 2, 3, 1, -2, like this. So are the numbers are rational numbers? Yes, these are also rational numbers, because 2 can be written as 2 by 1, -3 can be written as 3 by 1. So any number we can take denominator as 1. So these are all of the form a by b. So that's why 2, 3, 1, -2, these are all rational numbers. Now one question is that, students, is 0 a rational number? Think about it. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is also a rational number, because 0 can be written as 0 by 1, 0 can be written as 0 by 2, 0 can be written as 0 by x. So if we divide 0 by any numbers, it will be 0. So 0 can be written as a by b. So it is in the form is a by b. So 0 is also a rational number. Now, what are the positive rational numbers? A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or either both negative. Suppose 2 by 3, it is positive, it's a positive rational number, because its numerator and denominator both are positive. Similarly, if we write -3 by -7, it is also a positive rational number, because numerator and denominator both are same sign. So minus minus is positive. So -3 by -7 is also a positive rational number. Now What are the negative rational numbers? A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite signs. So that means if we write minus 2 by 3, so numerator is negative and denominator is positive, so it is a negative rational number. Similarly 4 by minus 7, numerator and denominator have different sign, so it is also a negative rational number. Now students, I am going to discuss about standard form of a rational number. It's a very important. So standard form of rational number. A number a by b, a number a by b is said to be in standard form if a and b are integers having no common divisor other than 1 or b other than 1 and b is positive. So what is the fact? That a and b have no common divisor, and b must be positive. So if I write that 14 by minus 16. So students, it is not in standard form. 14 by minus 16, it's a rational number. It's definitely a rational number, but it is not in standard form, because first here b is positive, that means denominator must be positive, but here you can see that denominator is negative. So at first we have to convert it into positive denominator. How will you convert it into positive denominator? So we must multiply the denominator by minus 1, because minus minus is plus, minus multiply minus is plus, and so if we multiply denominator by minus 1, then we have to also multiply the numerator by minus 1. So that means 14 multiply minus 1. Clear students? I hope you understood. So it will be 14 multiply minus 1 is minus 14, and minus 16 multiply minus 1 is 16. But till now students, till now it is not in standard form. I convert it into positive denominator, but till now it is not in standard form, because 14 and 16 have common divisor. So now we have to divide both the numbers by a common number. So we can divide both the numbers by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 and 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now we can write it minus 7 by 8. Now students, you can see that minus 7 and 8 have no common divisor other than 1. So now we can say that minus 7 by 8 is in standard form. I hope you understood. Okay students. Now here students, I am going to show you another example that how to convert a number in standard form. So express 45 by minus 60 in standard form. So here students, you can see that 45 by minus 60, 45 by minus 60, it's a rational number, but it's not in standard form. So we have to convert it into standard form. So first of all, we have to convert this negative denominator into positive denominator. So we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by -1. Now it will be 45 multiply -1 is -45 and -60 multiply -1 is 60, because minus multiply minus is plus and 60 multiply 1 is 60. Now we convert the negative denominator into positive denominator, but it is not in standard form because 45 and 60 have common divisor. So we can divide 45 and 60 by a common number. So if we divide both the numbers by 5, it will be 45 divided by 5 is 9 and 60 divided by 5 is 12. Again 9 by 12. So 9 by 12, 9 and 12 have common divisor. So we can again divide 9 and 12 by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So it will be now -3 by 4. Now -3 and 4 have no common divisor, so it is in standard form. I hope you understood, students. Now students, I am going to discuss about comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational number means which is greater and which is smaller. When suppose if I give you two rational numbers and I ask you that find what is greater and what is smaller, then how will you solve it? So students, so take this example. Which of the numbers 2 by -9 and -5 by 12 is greater? So 2 by -9 and -5 by 12. So at first, before finding which is greater, here you have to see that the numbers are in standard form or not. So you can easily say that 2 by -9 is not in standard form. So at first we have to convert 2 by -9 in standard form. So by multiplying both numerator and denominator by -1, we can convert it into standard form. So 2 multiply -1 and -9 multiply -1. And it is -5 by 12 is in already standard form. So 2 minus 1 is -2 and -9 multiply -1 is 9.